All right. Moving right along, let's relate fractions to 1. Now, I think when we say relate fractions to 1, I think what it means is this fraction bigger than 1 or smaller than 1? And I think that's going to be something that's fairly intuitive. Select two fractions that are equal to 1. You can always tell a fraction that's equal to 1 because the numerator and the denominator are the same every single time. 3 out of 3, 4 out of 4. Again, if I have a thing and I cut it up into quarters and I have 4 of them, then I still have one whole. Like if I have $1 and I trade it out for 4 quarters and I still have all 4 quarters, I still have $1. Just because it's split into 4 quarters doesn't make it any less $1. What fraction could A represent on the number line? Well, it could not be 3 over 2 because 3 over 2 has a larger numerator than it does a denominator, which means it must be greater than 1, right? If I have more pieces than each whole is cut into, then I'm going to require multiple wholes, that sounds bad, but multiple things to cut into that many pieces each to get my fraction. So 3 over 2 couldn't possibly be A, because A is clearly less than 1. I need to find a fraction that is less than 1, which means the smaller number is going to be the numerator, and the larger number is going to be the denominator, like 2 over 4. Four over 4 is indeed equal to 1. Select two fractions that are less than 1. Again, I don't want you to jump straight to smaller number on the top, bigger number on the bottom. I want you to really think about why. Why is it that 2 out of 8 is less than 1? If I cut a pizza into 8 pieces and eat 2 pieces, I've clearly eaten less than 1 whole pizza. However, if we had a bunch of pizzas and they were all cut into 8 and I ate 9 of those, then I have eaten more than 1 whole pizza. That's why it works the way it does. So we're looking right now for fractions that have a smaller numerator than denominator. So again, now we're looking for a number that's greater than 1, which means the numerator, the number of pieces, is got to be bigger than the number in each whole. So that's going to be 3 over 2, and that's it. 1 and 8 over 6. Well, we know that 1 is 6 over 6. And if I have 6 blocks, that's definitely less than 8 blocks. Same thing with 6 over 6 and 8 over 6. Select two fractions that are less than 1. For previously stated reasons, 2/3 and 5/6 are the correct answers. And that is relate fractions to 1.